You've been appointed as the IT administrator for a small corporate network. Your job is to configure the admin workstation so it connects to the local network and the internet, using a static IP address instead of DHCP. This lab will be completed entirely in the terminal.
Ever wondered how to take control of your Linux network settings? Today, we'll configure IP addresses, DNS, and test connectivity, all hands-on.
First, let's check the current state of our network card. Go to your favorites bar and open the terminal. At the prompt, type IP addr show. This displays the current state of the network adapter. Next, navigate to the configuration directory. Type in the command I have displayed on the screen. Then click Enter. Here, take note of the file ifcfgenp20. That's the configuration file we'll edit. Linux stores adapter settings here. Let's list the files and find ifcfgenp20. Knowing where configs live helps troubleshoot misconfigurations later. Now, let's go to Configuring IPv4 Settings. Open the file with nano ifcfgenp20. Now configure the adapter with static values. IPaddr equals 192.168.0.254. Netmask equals 255.255.255.0. Broadcast equals 192.168.0.255. Gateway equals 192.168.0.5. Remove the line that reads boot proto equals DHCP. This ensures we're using a static IP instead of DHCP. Exit with Ctrl+X, press Y to save and hit Enter. I will repeat for clarity's sake when configuring IPv4 settings. Once the file with nano is opened, nano ifcfgenp20. Then configure the adapter with static values. IPaddr equals 192.168.0.254. Netmask equals 255.255.255.0. Broadcast equals 192.168.0.0.255. Gateway equals 192.168.0.5. Remove the line that reads boot proto equals DHCP. This ensures we're using a static IP instead of DHCP. Exit with Ctrl+X, press Y to save and hit Enter. If you are having challenges with exiting, this is what you need to do. Click Enter to ensure you are just below the gateway address. Now hold the Control button on your screen alongside the X button. Just below the screen, Yes is highlighted, so you need to type in Y. Now, we need to configure DNS file. Type in nano/etc/resolv.conf. Add the following lines. Name server 163.128.78.93. Name server 163.128.80.93. Exit with Ctrl+X, save with Y, and press Enter. Now let's restart the interface. To apply changes, restart the interface. IP link set, ENP2 down. IP link set, ENP2 up. Ping the DNS server. Ping -c4163.128.80.93. Test DNS resolution. Ping -c for www.corpnet.xyz. If all three succeed, your configuration is complete.
Why did we do all this? Assigning a static IP ensures consistency for servers, routers, and devices that need predictable addresses. It enables reliable connectivity for services like web servers, databases, and file sharing. Static IPs also strengthen security by allowing firewall rules and routing paths to be defined precisely. And they support monitoring, backups, and remote collaboration without worrying about IP changes.